Welcome to the amazing world of Zoeland. Let's explore a bilingual world together, full of words, numbers, songs, and so much more. Get ready to have a blast with fun games and exciting adventures. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video to join the learning fun.
Hi, I am Miss Pam. Hello, little language learners. Welcome to our exciting language journey. Today, we're going to learn how to use English sentences in Spanish. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's go! Let's start with something we all experience, being hungry. In English, we say, I'm hungry. In Spanish, it's tengo hambre.
Tengo hambre.
Now it's your turn at home. Say it. Tengo hambre. Great! Now, when you're thirsty, in English, you say, I'm thirsty. In Spanish, it's tengo sed. Let's try it together. Tengo sed. All right, let's learn something very important. When you need to go to the bathroom in English, you say, I need to go to the bathroom. In Spanish, it's necesito ir al baño. Can you practice saying it? Necesito ir al baño.
Necesito ir al baño.
Oh, someone looks tired.
In English, we say, I'm tired. In Spanish, it's estoy cansado. Let's say it together. Estoy cansado.
Estoy cansado.
Now, when you want to play, in English, you say, I want to play. In Spanish, it's quiero jugar. Say it with me. Quiero jugar.
Quiero jugar.
Aw, hugs are lovely. In English, you say, I want a hug. In Spanish, it's quiero un abrazo. Give your friend a pretend hug while saying it.
Quiero un abrazo.
Quiero un abrazo. Sometimes we feel scared, and that's okay. In English, you say, I'm scared. In Spanish, it's estoy asustado. Can you say it bravely?
Estoy asustado.
Oh, I see someone who wants to sleep. In English, we say, I want to sleep. In Spanish, it's quiero dormir. Let's say it softly. Quiero dormir.
Quiero dormir.
Sometimes we miss our parents. In English, you say, I want my mommy and daddy. In Spanish, it's quiero a mami y quiero a papi. Show me how much you love them while saying it. Quiero a mami y quiero a papi.
Quiero a mami y quiero a papi.
If you're not feeling well, it's essential to let someone know. In English, you say, I don't feel well. In Spanish, it's no me siento bien. Can you say it gently?
No me siento bien.
You are all doing great. Keep practicing, and soon you will be language superheroes. See you next time on our language magic adventure.